23rd ISP PG Convention marks the final conclusion of the event, providing an opportunity to reflect on its success, acknowledge contributions, and inspire future endeavors. Thanks to each one of you, the 23rd ISP PG Convention made the record of the highest number of registrations, 1,496. And we hope this convention has set a benchmark for all future conventions. I would like to welcome the dignitaries onto the stage. I request our scientific chairperson, Dr. Anandita Banerjee, to please come up on the dais, and Dr. Shurupa Datta to escort her. I request our organizing secretary, Dr. Manoj Kumar Singh, to please come to the dais, and I request Dr. Astha Todi to escort him. I request our organizing chairperson, Dr. Tirthankar Devnath, to please come onto the stage, and Dr. Simran to escort him. I request our organizing treasurer, Dr. Vineet Nair. I request our convention secretary, Dr. Ashish Kumar, sir, to please come to the dais. I request our president, ISP president-elect, Dr. Neeraj Deshpande, to please come to the dais, and Dr. Simran to escort him. I request our ISP immediate past president, Dr. D. Gopalakrishnan, to please come onto the dais. ISP secretary, Dr. Ashish Jain, sir, please come onto the dais. And I request ISP president, Dr. H.S. Grover, to please come onto the dais. Thank you, sir. Please be seated. We'll now have the collaring of the president by the secretary.
I request the organizing team to please proceed with the further agenda. Thank you.
May I request the convention secretary, Dr. Ashish Kumar, for his welcome address.
सबको नमस्कार। मंच पर विराजमान सभी गण्यमान्य व्यक्ति, वरिष्ठ आईएसपी सदस्य, सम्मानित अतिथि और प्रतिनिधि, मैं अपने हृदय की गहराइयों से सभी लोगों का धन्यवाद करता हूं जिन्होंने इस कन्वेंशन की सफलता में मदद की है। मैं आयोजन समिति की परिश्रम और प्रयास की भी प्रशंसा करता हूं। मैं हम सभी के लिए एक ये सीखने का मौका था कि जैसे कि इतने बड़े आयोजन को व्यवस्थित किया जा सकता है। इस दुनिया में कुछ भी परिपूर्ण नहीं होता। हम लोगों से इस आयोजन में कुछ गलती हुई हो तो मैं उसके लिए माफ़ी चाहता हूं। आप सभी का इस कन्वेंशन में भाग लेने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। मैं आप सभी को मैं वापसी की शुभ एवं सुरक्षित यात्रा की कामना के साथ अपनी वाणी को आराम देता हूं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। नमस्कार।
I welcome ISP President Dr. H.S. Grover for his presidential address.
Respected ISP colleagues on the dais, off the dais, teachers and dear delegates, I take this opportunity to thank our hosts, the ISP chapter Kolkata group, for hosting such a wonderful convention. Truly, both myself and our secretary sir have been to many conventions, but this has been a very different and a very good experience. I'm sure your 2 days have been fully utilized in learning new things because of the extensive lectures the organizers had planned for you, and of course the hospitality, the food, the other activities, everything was so nice. So on behalf of head office, I once again say thank you to our hosts, Jai ISP, Jai Hind. God bless you all.
Our scientific chairperson, Dr. Nandita Banerjee, is coming. So we shall continue with the recognizing of the convention organizing committee.
I request you, sir, to please come up on stage as you are the chief patron of the COC.
As the chief patron, sir.
I request ISP President, sir, ASP Grover, sir, to please give the certificate to Dr. Kamal Kanti Pal.
Dr. A.K. Pal, contributing as patron. Achan, sir. Sir, could you please come on the dais? Dr. Pradeep Kumar Giri, contributing as patron.
May I request the President, sir, to please felicitate Dr. Rupa Mandal for contributing as advisor.
Dr. Tirthankar Debnath, organizing chairperson. Chief Secretary, could you please give the...
Thank you, sir. To our dashing organizing secretary, Dr. Manoj Kumar Singh, I request both President and Secretary of ISP to please come forward to the honors. Dr. Orgo Rudru, registration convener, are you there?
May I request our President, sir, to kindly felicitate our Joint Organizing Secretary cum Treasurer, Dr. Vinit Nair.
Dr. Javed Badr, our Trade Fair Chairperson. President, sir. Dr. Rajshri Ganguly, are you there? A pre-convention chairperson. And who can forget our convention secretary, Dr. Ashish Kumar, sir. Sir. Dr. Prover, please do the honors. There are some more of the scientific committee, but they are busy preparing the certificates. Okay, they are just coming. Dr. Anindita Banerjee, please come up on the dais. May I request our ISP President-elect, Dr. Neeraj Deshpande, sir, to please felicitate Dr. Anindita Banerjee, our scientific chairperson. Dr. Nidhu Brishaj, can you please come up on the stage? President-elect, sir, please felicitate Dr. Nidhu Brishaj, who was a scientific co-convener. We'll continue with the valedictory function from where we had diverted. That was the speech by a scientific chairperson, Dr. Anindita Banerjee.
Good evening, everyone. Respected dignitaries on the dais, respected dignitaries of the dais, and my dear friends. I hope all of you have enjoyed the scientific sessions. It was a huge responsibility of us. There have been a few lapses here and there, and I do apologize for that. And I hope you enjoyed the sessions. Thank you all very much for joining us. Thank you.
We will now have the distribution of prizes and certificates. For the best paper presentation in dental implant category, Dr. Giri Reddy Kirthi Reddy. Gopi Reddy Kirthi Reddy. Are you there? Please come up on the dais.
Dental implant.
Dental implants, sir. Paper presentation. Not there? Dr. Gopi Reddy Kirthi Reddy, are you there? For the best paper presentation in clinical category, Dr. Aradhya Sinha. Dr. Aradhya Sinha. For best paper presentation in preventive periodontics category, Dr. Amrapali Guchait. Dr. Aradhya Sinha. For best paper presentation in clinical category. President sir, could you please? President sir, could you please give the... For the best paper presentation in preventive periodontics category, Dr. Amrapali Guchait. Secretary sir, could you please give the... For the best paper presentation in case report category, Dr. Akash Varman.
Convention Secretary, Dr. Ashish Kumar. Case
Can
Dr. Akash Varman is coming.
Yeah, he's coming. I request. What?
May I request Convention Secretary, Dr. Ashish Kumar, to please do the honors.
Dr. Debrat Singh for best paper in research category.
May I request our ISP Secretary, sir, Dr. Ashish Jain, to please do the honors.
Consolation. এগুলো blank আছে। আচ্ছা, these are blank.
রেখে দিন। এই নোটটা রেখে দিন। এটা নিন। এটা নিন। পোস্টার।
দাঁড়া, ওইটাতে আছে।
Last table, concentrate last.
Dr. Swapnil Mishra. Dr. Swapnil Mishra for best poster presentation in research category. Dr. Janvi Acharya for Best Poster Presentation in Implant Dentistry category. Dr. Janvi Acharya. Dr. Harish Kumar alias Nagar Rajan for Best Poster Presentation in Case Report category. Dr. Jaya Shakti S for Best Poster Presentation in Clinical category. Dr. Arya Singh for Best Poster Presentation in Preventive Periodontics category. Dr. Arya Singh. There are some consolation prizes. Dr. Ashish for Best Poster Presentation in Research category. Dr. Ashish. Dr. Akanksha Raut. This is again a consolation for paper presentation. Best Scientific Paper Presentation. Consolation. Dr. Akanksha Garg for Scientific Paper Presentation. Consolation. Akanksha Garg.
So now we'll be declaring the commendation prizes for the best paper presentation for the each scientific session. First, Dr. Shreya Bhaumik, Dr. S. Pujyasri, Dr. Akash Varman, Dr. Shruti S. Patil, Dr. Shruti S. Patil is here. Dr. Gopi Reddy, Dr. Gopi Reddy is here. Dr. Upendranath Pathak, Dr. Purnima Chittabatnina, Dr. Shamanvi Ratna Badri Satya, Dr. Ishika Sarkar, Dr. Astha Gajavalli, Dr. Astha Gajavalli is here. Lieutenant Colonel Dr. V. Singh, Dr. Shikha Jade. Dr. Shikha Jade is here. Dr. Pransuli Manda. Dr. Pransuli Manda is here. Dr. Seelam Praveen. Dr. A.S. Priyadarshini. Lieutenant Colonel B. Harshavardhana. Dr. B. Harshavardhana is here. Dr. Amrapali Guchayat and Dr. Devika Karmukar. Dr. Monica. Dr. Jasmine and Dr. Ashwini. Dr. Jasmine and Dr. Ashwini is here. Dr. Madhumita. Dr. Sahil Hussain. Dr. Shrashti. Dr. Riya Agarwal. Dr. Janani Priya. Dr. Janani Priya is here. Dr. Roshni and Dr. Velika. Sorry. Dr. Roshni Velika, sorry. Dr. Manali Wagmare. Dr. Jasmine Asrini. Dr. Jasmine is here. Dr. Megha Jyoti. Dr. Madhumita Sayanit. Dr. Madhumita Sayanit. Dr. Konkona Bhattacharya and Dr. Arijit Mandol. Dr. Vineet Nair will be collecting the certificate on behalf of Dr. Konkona Bhattacharya and Dr. Arijit Mandol. Dr. Aditi Pandey. Dr. Aditi Pandey is here. Dr. Aishwarya Rao. Dr. Debrat Singh. Dr. Arudra Devi JG. Dr. Dharani Senthil. Dr. Dharani is here. Dr. Aradhya Sinha. Dr. Smruti Thopil. Dr. Smruti Thopil is here. Dr. Shruti Sudhir. Dr. Vaishali Kamak. Dr. Vaishali Kamak is here. Dr. Supraja. Dr. Supraja is here. Dr. Noori Mahek. Dr. Noori Mahek is here. Dr. Akshita Singh. Dr. Akshita Singh is here. Dr. Ganesh K. Dr. Roshni Velake. Dr. Roshni is here. Dr. Vitika Pandey. Dr. Vitika Pandey is here. Dr. Aparna Aishwarya. Dr. Aparna Aishwarya. Dr. Setan Butada. Dr. Longeshwari M. Dr. Longeshwari M is here.
With this, we complete our prize distribution ceremony, and I request our Convention Secretary, Dr. Manoj Kumar Singh, to please say a few words.
Good evening all the respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. As it's in a valedictory function bit about to end, but important part, the thing, hopefully everything the way we have started this particular convention, started with the pre-convention courses. From that, then we have come to our main convention, both the days, including a scientific content, along with the another infrastructure in terms of an arena which we have arranged, food and other things. We have tried from our COC to complete and provide the best possible hospitality. Rest, it's in the hand of a God. Normally, I believe whatever we are doing it's grateful to God, and I am still putting my gratitude to all the COC member, and especially ISP was in behalf of ISP West Bengal Study Group. I am honored and thankful to HO, especially President Sir, Grover Sir, and our Secretary Sir, to putting a faith in ISP West Bengal, so that we have concluded this one. Hope you have enjoyed your stay and have a wonderful feeling. If still something is missing from our behalf, you felt it, so we just excuse us or give a thing as an unforeseen. Thank you once again. Thank you. Jai Hind. Thank you, sir.
So the final result of the quiz, the Perio Quest, the second runner-up is a team from R. Ahmed, Dr. Azman Akil and Dr. Rituparna Saha. The dignitaries on the guest, please give the prizes. Yeah. Dr. Rituparna and Dr. Azman Akil. Yeah. Okay. The first runner-up is a team from Nagpur, Ranjit Deshmukh Dental College, Dr. Tasneem Azad and Dr. Muskan Dhanwani. And the winner of Perio Quest, who turned up first after beating nearly 90 teams, are the home favorites from Dr. R. Ahmed Dental College and Hospital, Dr. Preeti Sodhani and Dr. Prakhar Bharadwaj. So as a gesture, they are also being given a check of 10,000 rupees.
Dr. Manisha Kumari and Dr. Vinita V. in the category of paper presentation.
I now request ISP Secretary Dr. Ashish Jain for his vote of thanks.
A very good afternoon to everybody present here. So finally we come to the end of this beautiful 23rd ISP PG convention, which probably has not only erased what Kolkata held earlier, but has been able to make new memories, and this time really cherishable and beautiful memories. And for that, the entire credit goes to the organizing team that you see on the dais and the team that you don't see on the dais, under able leadership of the great grandfather of Indian dentistry, if you will, Dr. T.K. Pal. So this had been one of the not only most well-attended event, but also one of the most well-organized event also. It was not easy, we can understand that. After having given a green signal by the HO and the executive committee only in September last year, 6 months is certainly not enough for an event of this magnitude. But the entire team really pulled it well and pulled it really wonderfully well. So congratulations to all of you. And a big thank you from ISP head office for executing what was supposed to be executed, for executing the way it was supposed to be executed. There must have been times along the journey when the conversation probably could have got a little harsher than it should have, for which I apologize. But then the whole intention was to ensure that the event that happens here in Calcutta sets a benchmark, and you have truly set a benchmark. So thank you very much once again. Thank you.
Please rise for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता